Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda has raised the demand to start the procurement of paddy soon. After a long period of turmoil in Punjab politics, finally Captain Amrinder Singh resigned from the post of Chief Minister. The captain reached the Raj Bhavan at around 4:30 p.m. and submitted his resignation to the governor there. After the tough decision of the Congress High Command in Punjab, the chair of Captain Amrinder Singh has come under threat. A few days ago in Gujarat, BJP changed chief minister by doing a new experiment. Not only this, after this, the entire cabinet also became new in one stroke. There is a tremendous turmoil going in Punjab Congress. Meanwhile, Punjab CM Captain Amrinder Singh has resigned from his post. Radhakishan Damani, the founder of Avenue Supermarts, a company that operates the legendary investors and retail chain DMart, is rapidly rising in the list of the world's rich. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, he has become India's fifth richest person, beating Lakshmi Mittal of ArcelorMittal. The Quiet Bill to counter China's aggressive expansionism has found a cut in Xi Jinping's ambitious Project Belt and Road Initiative. Before the upcoming assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh, all the major parties of the state, including BJP, BSP, are engaged in getting Brahmin vote bank this time. At the same time, now the Samajwadi Party has started an exercise to bring Dalits into its fold. For the Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections, BJP has made all preparations to show the Kashi model of social engineering in development works. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has set up 18 shell companies. His address was Kolkata. Black money worth rupees 9.8 crore were converted into white through these companies. Recently, an alert was issued in Mumbai after the terrorists were caught across the country. During this, the effect of police station is being seen in sensitive areas of Mumbai like Buleshwar Market, Zaveri Bazar, Atmaram Merchant Road, Kalwa Devi Road. Actor Sonu Sood, who became a messiah for people by helping people during the Corona period, is now seen to be in trouble. The Income Tax Department was surveying the actor's house from the last 3 days. Apart from Sonu Sood, IT raided the premises of his associates were also surveyed, in which the IT department has found evidence related to tax evasion.